Hi, thanks for coming and seeing my presentation today. Well, showing up from home, as it were. Today I'm talking about smart cities. You've probably heard the term before, it's kind of a buzzword. There are various definitions, but the main threads are that smart cities use data to become more sustainable, environmentally sound, affordable, and conducive to a higher quality of life. Right now, the smart cities in the world might not measure up to the smart cities of the future that you think of whenever you think of smart cities. But for 2019, the top of the Cities in Motion Index was actually London. They have, as you can see listed here, a series of both current and future plans to use data to make city living better for residents and the environment and to accommodate growth. So I'll let you look at that for a second. I would have to say, out of the current things, I thought that the London data store was the most fascinating, considering that it's over 700 data sets and it's a free and open sharing system with working dashboards. So that was really cool, and I highly recommend you check it out. It's listed in my sources. Now, the opportunities of smart cities are the higher quality of life that we mentioned, the lower negative impact on the environment, and the more efficient infrastructure for growing populations. However, these come with risks. Um, Anytime you're running mainly on data, you have to worry about data breaches, cyber threats, etc. You also have to look out for personal privacy and the implementation cost, which can easily run high. These are my sources, and if you have any questions, please feel free to message me. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you have a good day.